Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on your YouTube videos. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is just click on your profile icon, then go into YouTube Studio. Then once you're on here, you obviously want to go to Content and then just find the video you want to take the comments off. Just click on the pencil symbol, and if you scroll down right to the bottom, you should see comments and ratings. So you can just click on there and it will give you a couple of options. You can have it on pause or you can select off. Then all you have to do is select save and that will turn off comments on that video. There's also another way you can do this as well. So if you go to settings and you can click on upload defaults, then select advanced settings, then you should see comments at the bottom again, and this should also give you the option to turn it off. So every time you upload a video, the comments option will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off comments on YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.